All right, I'm going to show you how to fill out and submit your March Mammal Madness bracket to me for the extra credit points. So you need to go to the Biology E-Class page, and you're going to scroll down. Right underneath Meet the Teacher, there's a whole new box for March Mammal Madness. And again, I want you to remember this is the last opportunity for extra credit. This is to get extra credit points on your lowest test grade come the end of the semester. First, second, and third place will all receive extra bonus points. Competing against your particular class period. So the chances of you getting points is much higher, and more people will be awarded points. You're going to have to be logged into your Parkview G Suite to be able to access this and turn it in. Okay? In order to be extra credit and placed in the pool for the tournament, you have to have emailed me your bracket by 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Sunday, March 8th. So you're going to click this link here where it says Student 2020. When you do that, it's going to open up a Google Sheets document, and there are multiple tabs along the bottom. The very first thing that you have to do is you have to make a copy of this document. You cannot edit this document because this is the parent template. You need to come over here to File. You're going to click Make a Copy. Okay. What I would do here is I would go ahead and put your name, your real name, okay, and I would choose a folder. I would probably go straight to the landing page for your drive, hit select, hit OK, and that should give you your very own copy of the tournament bracket. I'm going to close the one that says student because that's the parent template. So now all that I have pulled up is the bracket that I'm going to fill out and submit. Okay? There are step-by-step directions here. They were a little confusing to me, so I'm going to verbally walk you through this via the screencast. Hopefully that'll help. Okay? So you have a bunch of tabs down here. There is one hidden tab. So you need to come up here to View. You need to click Hidden Sheets, Name, Bracket, Data. Okay? Where it has name in parentheses, you're going to right-click, go to Rename, and you're going to put your real name in that spot. Okay? Once you've done that, I want you to come over to the tab that says Your Bracket, and this is where you can actually pick and choose which animals you believe are going to be successful in this tournament. And again, up here at the top, you need to put your real name. Okay? And then you're going to use up every single yellow box. Okay? This is the exact same bracket, the exact same layout as the paper copy that I gave you in class. Okay? There is the wild card game is on there, which takes place Monday. That's why I had to have your brackets on Sunday. So the way this works is a drop-down menu. You choose which one of these animals you believe is going to win that particular battle. Okay, so I'm just going to randomly click a bunch just so we can get to the next part. Okay, so a bunch of animals clicked in. Again, you'll fill out every single one of them. Okay, once you have that completed, okay, you're going to come back over to where it says your name, bracket data. Okay? It should autofill a whole bunch of your animals. Don't do anything here. You're going to click in this little box that's in the corner underneath the function button, okay, where everything goes blue, and you're going to right click, and you're going to go to Paste Special, and you're going to hit Paste Values Only. That didn't work. Okay, I figured out what I did wrong. Okay, so back here on your tab that has your name, it says bracket data. You're going to click in this box between 1 and A underneath the function, you're going to right click and click copy. Then you're going to go back up to that corner, right click, choose paste special, then click paste values only. Okay. Now that is done. At that point, everything with your bracket is complete. Okay. Double check, make sure you have every single animal filled in. Your bracket is the way that you want it before you get ready to send it to me. Okay. So double check your bracket, all that stuff. So from here, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to send me your bracket. Okay. So you're going to share your bracket as a view only. Okay. That way I can't edit anything and your bracket stays locked. Okay. So you're going to share your document. Okay. So click share. Okay. You're going to type in my email address, in case you didn't see that, Lindsay _Turner. It should pop up once you're in the G Suite. Okay, you'll click that, and you don't have to write a note. You can if you want to, and then you're going to come over here to the little pencil, and you're going to click. You're going to change can edit to can view. Okay, at that point, I won't be able to do anything to your bracket. It'll be locked in as it is, and then you'll click send, and then it will email it to me. And at that point, you're done. I'll take it from there. I'll put you in the pool, and we will see how it goes. Best of luck.